Hey guys, I'm here on behalf of hyperplots.com, and today I'll be teaching you how to get started plotting your first plots on Chia. So today we'll be using the Windows interface, and we'll just head on over to the left hand side and click plots. From here we're going to go to add a plot, and for the sake of this tutorial we're just going to be doing one plot, and we're just going to be plotting in queues. We're not going to do any parallel plotting because the goal of this tutorial is just to get you started with your first plot so you can get a feel for it. However, if you do want to plot more quickly, parallel plotting is necessary, so you can check out more advanced tutorials for that in the future. Also, we're just going to be doing K32s. These are about 100 gigabytes each, and it is not very worth it to do anything larger, and there is nothing smaller that you can do. So we're going to be sticking with K32s for now. So we can just skip over steps 1 and 2 and jump right into step 3 of selecting a temporary directory. So we're just going to be making a folder, and we'll just name it something memorable. In this case, I'll name it Chia temp. So then I'll select the folder and press select folder. Next, we're going to pick where our plots will live after they are plotted. So we're just going to make a new folder inside the Chia temp folder called Chia plots. And select this folder. Before I click create plot, I want to quickly go over what this means. So the temporary directory is actually the part that it does the plotting, and it actually does matter whether or not your disk is fast at writing. So for this section, if you have an SSD dedicated to plotting, you do want to make your temporary folder in that SSD. However, for the final directory, you can just put it wherever. It is fine to just put it on your slowest drive that you have, because it doesn't matter as much. It won't slow down your plotting speeds. It is also worth noting that this can wear down your SSDs quite quickly, so you don't want to do this on your boot drive or any drive that has important information. But if you have one dedicated for plotting, it is totally fine to use that. That being said, we can just go ahead and click create plot, and there it is. We have our first plot going. Now I'll show you how to add another one to the queue. So we can once again skip steps 1 and 2. We can go back and select our same temporary folder that we created last time. So selecting Chia temp. And for the final directory, I'll also choose the same folder as last time, which was Chia plots. Select folder, and then I'll go over to create plot. So there we see both of our plots, and we see that our first plot actually started plotting. It is already at 1%, and the second one is queued. And the reason that it is queued is because they both have the same queue name. So as long as all your plots have the same queue name, they'll be added to a specific queue. From here we can click the 3 dots and view log, and we can see that it has started successfully. So our plot has begun to plot, and it'll take several hours before it's done. On this machine it takes about 12 hours before anything finishes, but yours will vary. And that's about it for this video. I wish you the best of luck on your plotting. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll try to help you out. If you choose to purchase plots, I strongly recommend that you check out hyperplots.com. This is a great way to get more plots, get plots quickly, and not use your own hardware when it comes to plotting. Thank you guys for watching. If this helped you out, please leave a like, and please consider subscribing for more Chia content. Thanks. See ya.